And good morning Facebook, how are we today? Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire. Oh no, I'm not in sunny Cheshire. I'm in the Netherlands, I'm in Amsterdam. Flew in yesterday, managed to park the private jet right next to the room. Absolutely awesome. But it's not bright and it's not sunny. So yeah, we're over here in Amsterdam. Got here yesterday. We're preparing for a networking training event tomorrow down at Jay's Auto Service in Almere in the Netherlands. Get yourself over onto the DPF Doctor Facebook page and book yourself as going if you want to come along. It's going to be an awesome event tomorrow with myself, the DPF Doctor and Diagnostics Dan all together, all doing a little bit of a session on something. It's going to be absolutely awesome, really is. So it's your birthday today. Happy birthday. It was your birthday yesterday and I missed it. Happy birthday. It was your birthday over the weekend. Have an awesome weekend. Happy birthday. Whatever you're doing, have a really good weekend. And we're looking forward to seeing a lot of you over at the event tomorrow. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Really can't wait. Showing a bit of love and support for the DPF Doctor Network members and the SimplyDiag Network members over here in Amsterdam. It's going to be awesome. Morning Darren, how are you mate? Not my usual routine. Obviously normally I'd be in work by now, but we've got to go and set the event up, set the stall out ready for tomorrow morning, Kevin, and get the plans drawn up for exactly what will be happening. No number 9s and paid cups in the room. What's that all about? Morning Stephen, g'day mate. Darren and I were only talking about you last night mate, and it was all good. Who else is there? Martin, did you see Martin? So Darren, hang on, I'm not very good at the thick and fast comments when they come. Jose, good morning. Daniel, good morning. Yeah, absolutely awesome. So yeah, we had a bit of a wander around yesterday, went and caught up with some old friends of Darren's in the city centre. Morning Adrian. And today it's all work, so nice early start. I'm an hour in front here. I think it's 7 o'clock here now, so yeah, but we're not in the hub. Talking of the hub, what's going on in the hub today? Well, Thunderbird 5 is getting a full service